This is Mark Gravy. What I'm going to do here is to take you through a simple tutorial on creating a Google group. In this tutorial, I'm focusing only on administrative functions and specifically on using Google Groups as a listserv. It's a pretty straightforward process. The only thing I can think of that might not be apparent is that before you can do this, you will need a Google account. You're probably familiar with doing Google searches. Maybe you haven't used Gmail or some other Google application. But if you look carefully when you do basic things in Google, even searching, you look at the top of the page, there should be a sign-in link. Now, even if you don't have an account, if you click the sign-in link, that will open up a page, and from that page you can create an account. Now, this is free, but you will need an account before you can go any further. So I've already logged into the Google Groups page, and to create another group, you can see what I'm going to do now is click this Create button. It sometimes takes a little while. And the first thing I'm asked to do is to name my new group. Not very original, but I'm going to call this Gravy List. And one thing you'll note right away is that as I enter the name of my group, it simultaneously creates the group email address, which eventually will be the submission address, and also names the web address for the Google Groups. I'm required to write a basic group description. This is a site dedicated to the study of educational technology. Should be good enough. And then I'm going to choose an access level. Now, this is very important because although you can change it later, it does kind of control who can be a part of the group and who can see group content. I'm going to take the most conservative, the most restrictive option here, restricted, and I'm thinking for many K-12 sites this will be what's desired. Alright, so now create my group, and I have to enter this CAPTCHA so they know it's a human and not some kind of bot creating this account. Again, it's going to take a while. But now I'm to the second stage, which is to enter people, the email of people I want to be members. And I'm going to very quickly just enter another address of mine so I can demonstrate this, and then enter a message. And this will send an invitation to me on another account asking me to join. Perhaps I should show you another couple of things very quickly here. There are some other settings. I can access these settings under management tasks, under group settings, and a couple of things to show you. Access allows me to set a number of parameters that have to do with access to the group. And finally, advanced allows me to do one very important thing you might want to know about if you're going to practice, and that is how to delete your group. So I will offer then another tutorial here showing you how the group list is actually used.